Oh. Full-bodied beer. Not flabby, not heavy, but a nice body to it. A nice malt base. And the hops, they are just gliding right along the top. Wow. Just enough to take that sweetness off of the malt. Wow, that is a classic beer. There is no doubt about that. Does it meet expectations? Oh yes, it does. Absolutely. How would I rate it? Well, it certainly exceeds expectations as far as my remembering of the beer. So I'm gonna give it a 4.5. 4.5 just because I remember a really great beer. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm the old Growler, looking forward to seeing you next time when it's time for a beer.